Khadija E. Fangsiu, Kinder, to deliver her opening remarks. Let us give her a round of applause.
To our school director, Reverend Joshua Caleb A. Guerrero, to my wonderful classmates, teachers, families, special guests, and to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, good morning. I'm super excited to be here today to welcome everyone to our moving up ceremony. It feels like just yesterday we were little kids entering our colorful and exciting classrooms, and now look at how much we've grown. To my dear classmates, we had so much fun together, from learning our ABCs to counting numbers and everything in between. Hats off to amazing teachers. Teacher Georgia and Teacher Des, and to the KCA teachers and staff. You've been our guides, our cheerleaders, and our friends throughout this journey. And a huge thank you to our families. Thank you for your endless love and support. As we get ready to move on to the next chapter of our learning adventure, let us remember the important lessons we've learned in kindergarten, to be kind, to be curious, and never give up, even when things get tough. Let's carry these values with us as we continue to grow and learn. To everyone here, let us enjoy and celebrate this day with a grateful heart. Thank you all so much, and let us have an awesome celebration.